Printing lists as tabular data. I am quite new to Python and I am now struggling with formatting my data nicely for printed output. I have one list that is used for two headings, and a matrix that should be the contents of the table. Like so. Note that the heading names are not necessarily the same lengths. The data entries are all integers, though. Now, I want to represent this in a table format, something like this. I have a hunch that there must be a data structure for this, but I cannot find it. I have tried using a dictionary and formatting the printing, I have tried for loops with indentation, and I have tried printing as strings. I am sure there must be a very simple way to do this, but I am probably missing it due to lack of experience.
Some ad hoc code. This relies on str.format and the format specification mini language.
There are some light and useful Python packages for this purpose. 1. Tabulate this URL. Tabulate has many options to specify headers and table format. Two. Pretty table this URL. Pretty Table has options to read data from CSV, HTML, SQL database. Also, you are able to select subset of data, sort table and change table styles. 3. Text table this URL. With text table you can control horizontal/vertical align, border style and data types. 4. Term tables this URL. With text table you can control horizontal/vertical align, border style and data types. Other options. Terminal tables easily draw tables in terminal/console applications from a list of lists of strings. Supports multi-line rows. ASCIIable can read and write a wide range of ASCII table formats via built-in extension reader classes. Python actually makes this quite easy. Something like, we'll have the output. The percent within the string is essentially an escape character, and the characters following it tell Python what kind of format the data should have. The percent outside and after the string is telling Python that you intend to use the previous string as the format string and that the following data should be put into the format specified. In this case I used %12i twice to break down each part. From the docs, this URL.
you want to see more, please consider subscribing.